Hey guys, we're excited today to bring to you our couple of new girls. Hey guys, we're excited today to bring to you our couple of new girls, as well as a entire another omelet igloo up go. So our girls, you may have seen the last video, we're talking about their laying issues, and aside from the molt and aside from the shorter days, they're having issues unrelated to that, like shellless eggs and not laying in the nest, and those eggs are unusable because they poop and walk all over them. There's been some issues because we bought some more ornamental breeds. So a local farm to us was selling these Highline Browns, and the Highline Brown is a hybrid bird between Rhode Island Red and something else, and it's like this designer breed, and they're bred to be strictly egg producers. They're not a dual purpose bird. They are made to lay an egg like every 27 hours. So in order for us to kind of maintain some food security with eggs, we added a few girls to our flock. We didn't want to combine flocks because that can be stressful, so we set up a whole nother coop here for them. Upcoming video, I want to be talking about these specific coops, but it'll be applicable for any coop you may have, about the preparing your coop for winter, installing winter perches, which are different than just classic round perch, a timer to extend their days, things of that nature, a bird bath heater for the water. So we'll go over all that in the next video. But this was really, my wife thought it'd be a good idea to just go ahead and let you guys see the girls. So you'll see them here through the doorway, but we'll also put in some B-roll. Now, as you know, or you may not know, I don't know, but our last flock was Gilligan's Island theme. We had Ginger, Marianne, Lovey, and Jaja, because Jaja Gabor was the other woman to ever appear on Gilligan's Island. And these ladies are named after the housewives. So this blonde butt right up front, that is Dorinda. The dark one chilling out in back there, taking a little, getting ready for a nap, is Bethany, and the one here in the middle here, the lighter reddish, is Sonia.
She looked, I feel like the answer, Dorinda. Hi, honey. Welcome to our home. You girls are pretty. Welcome, welcome.